Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the HyperX Cloud Free Wireless Best Setup. So first you want to install Ngenuity and Genuity from Microsoft Store and update firmware. Turn on Make Monitoring in Ngenuity because they have amazing side tone. DTS:X in stays off, also don't need any equalizers in their balance. Close Ngenuity. Install DTS Unbound from Microsoft Store. Open DTS Unbound and turn on DTS Headphones X and DTS:X. Go to System Sound and open the headphone settings. Set audio enhancements to off and set spatial sound to DTS Headphones X. Restart and enjoy. So this is how it looks like. Volume 20 left channel, 20 right channel, 20. Audio volume microphone full. And like this. So this is what you want to do.